Hello everyone, and today we'll be reacting to cat memes. Anyway, I hope y'all will enjoy this. So anyway, I guess we'll get started now.
Not it!
No, Jeremy, you can't eat that. Here's a massage technique I use on old bags like your mom.
Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here?
Oh, just talking to the man upstairs.
Howdy!
Okay, that was funny.
I am Cornholio.
Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro.
How could she do this to me?
Gotta hype
Who was that cat talking about?
myself up. Yeah.
Did I do?
Too bad.
Well, excuse me, I was sitting there.
Oh.
I'm allergic to myself.
Uh-oh.
Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out.
You're 5
Give
minutes
me a
late!
second.
Papa!
First exercise
Papa, please!
is called Jump the Chump!
Oh.
So far, you are the chump!
No, not again!
Pick up the pace, pussyfoot! Dinner's ready. Oh, ow! What the? I'm telling Mom. No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you retriever fever.
Is there
Ooh.
anyone on earth as majestic as me? Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door?
Wake up, Jacob. Help!
The last cat was sleep swimming. Anyway, I hope y'all did enjoy this. Anyway, I'm gonna end the recording here. And I hope y'all enjoyed. And see y'all next time!